Hello beautiful, my name is Joany and welcome to my channel. In this video, it's going to be all about working the chest. Yes, we're going to make that dance and have fun. So get into something comfortable and join me. Deep breath in up, breathe out, relax the arms on the shoulder blade, open up the rib cage, the heart, relax. Release the pelvis, relax here, soft knees, and let's get ready with lift and drops. When you do your lifts in the chest, just a little review. You need to squeeze your shoulder blades, your trapezius muscles downward. So that helps you to kind of lift the chest and then relax. Lift, and when you relax, you just drop. Lift, drop. Lift, lift, drop. Lift, drop. When you drop, you just relax. Lift. But there's another drop that you could do that contracts the diaphragm and pulls the chest. So contract here, like somebody punched me here, and the chest is going to go downward. But try not to round the shoulders. Okay, so you got your lift and drops. Now let's do our slides. Let's go right for 4. Bring it in, 2. So now, don't forget, you always use the muscles, the opposite muscle, to contract in order to slide the chest the opposite way. So contract the right side, and go to your left. Contract this muscle, contract, and it's going to slide the chest. Slide and then just come back. Slide and then release. Now let's go side to side. Right, center, left. Center, right, center, left, center. Good. Let's combine our lift and drop with our slide. So let's go right, lift, slide, left, drop. And smooth this out. You can print the hands here or out to the side. When you go to the side, always put some space between your armpits. Don't close the armpits. Open up. So let's switch the other way. I'm going to do a little combination. We're going to do a chest circle, 1.5 circle. So full circle and then a half circle. And then we're going to drop on that side. Just kind of drop. Okay, so let's do it the other way. So you just did a drop. You're going to start the circle, lift up, down, up, and then drop. Good. You can use the muscles here to pull and drop the chest because you just came out from a lift. So you should be easy to kind of just drop. Listen to the rhythm, and then we'll do our drops on the dooms. 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop and go up. 2, drop. So once you drop, you switch the direction. 1 full circle, half circle, drop. 1 full circle, half circle, drop. 1 full circle, half circle, drop. Hold on. Drop. 1 full circle, drop. Up, down, up, drop. Up, down, up, drop. Up, down, up. Keep going. So now instead of going to a drop, let's lift. Ready? So we'll start with the right side, but instead of going up, you're going to go lift, down, up, down, lift, down, up, down, lift. Okay, ready? Down, up, down, lift. Down, up, down, lift. Circle down, circle up, circle down, and lift. Okay, let's go back to down. Okay, drop, now up, down, up, drop, up, down, up, drop. Oh, it feels so good. I love doing upper body movement. Keep going. It really releases all the tension to the upper back. Stretches all these muscles. All right, so now we're gonna go back to the lift. You ready? Lift, go down, up, down, lift. You could do this sitting down. That was great. So this is a great way to kind of start using movements. And again, you got the accents and circles with a rhythm. Okay, I think this is called the Wada Kabir or Wada Talib. So different rhythms, and this is a nice one. I got it from Kitty Sharif. So if you ever want to practice with her music, I do have the information down below. She has really great music to practice with. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next video, and you have a wonderful week. Mwah. Bye.